Hi guys, Jeff McLaren here, River Valley Marine. I wanted to take a second and talk about the 2026 Cobalt R4 Surf. We've got one of the coolest little boats here in inventory. And what's unique about this boat, if you can tell, it's got a blue top on it. And that makes this boat look absolutely gorgeous inside and out. When you do a blue top cap, it actually flows through the entire boat, giving it a completely different look. If you haven't experienced this boat, it really is something to behold. It throws a fantastic wave and really rides great across the water. Cobalt builds one of the best boats on the water. We're going to be giving you a dual screen application, trim tabs, nice spacious cockpit, plenty of room for you and all of your friends. Coming to the back of the boat, we've got a nice swim platform, and Cobalt has what they call their swim step, which folds down, allowing you to sit in the water and hang out, or to get into the boat rather than using a ladder. Forward drive, twin prop system, tower does go down, but again, very spacious 24-foot model from Cobalt for the 2026 R4 Surf. Again, I'm Jeff McLaren with River Valley Marine. Come on in today, let's check out this boat and help you out. Thank you.